denga bata ngong la yak mara banado achul mara banado ayan ubitta panru bitta ruweng al banado atoy lang ubitta banado akwal al gadi chitim Nuer. Let me warn you, she'll not bara fi ajata Gambella. Ita mabasada Anyuak or ita mabasada Nuer. Ita mabasada Anyuak or ita mabasada Nuer. She'll not bara fi mushakal. Ita mabukul referee. You cannot be a referee between Anyuak and Nuer. Why? Because you already pick a side. You already pick a side. It is only there to give salam benanas. It is only there to give salam benanas. You don't take side. You speak like UN bogot fi nusbas salam. Lakin tum denga fadang. When you see Anyuak killing Nuer, you shout hallelujah, 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 because Nuer is getting killed. But when you see Nuer killing Anyuak, Nuer Gambella makwes, Nuer Gambella makwes. What are you doing? You kudina utungari sherbagnat. Mena go bo care. Tema basada Anyuak kede. Kulukul. So tum denga de. Ajwel shil nafsak bara fi mushakal da Gambella. Denka shil nafsak bara fi mushakal da Gambella. Amsi shub mushakal da Junub Sudan. Utum ngong la le yagle utum gari pare Nuer balga kum fi Junub. Nuer balga kum fi Junub. Ma fi maldani. Nuer balga denga fi Junub. Utum ma baji fi Gambella de ta amal kalam fara fi Gambella. Where you killing children da Anyuak, tabaktul yal da Anyuak, the woman mother lelo yal da Nuer. Get out of there. Get out of there. I'm warning you to denga alanile. Stay the fuck away from Gambella issue. Stay the fuck away from Gambella issue. Ya mara sanman banaro akwalle. Mara tane banaro achole. Mara tane banaro ya utum denga fada. Utumamut vi Junub Sudan. Utumamut. Tumamut degiga bas lo tuma bishil nufus kumbara fi ajada Gambella. Nuer boktulkum. Lanu tumachi de sharbak nas. Tamabogot finus. Dan lo Anyuak katal Nuer, you shout hallelujah. Lakin lo katal lo Anyuak, Nuer is wrong. No, ita mazol bada salam. But let me come to Yajata Gambella. Jada is very funny. Ana mechi lo ujugilo. Uwa ujugilo. Ana ko ujugilo beri do wara. Chura jamo, Nuera tau. Anyuak be jurmatak. Anyuak be jurmatak chura chamo. Danana meche lezol banaro maktiang. I know these people where they are. My people. They're my people. I went to Maktiang. Ladinungu. Jamishur. Barjalai. Jamishur. Barjalai. Nuar bume. Nuar woodcore. Okay. Anyuak be jurmatak. Nuar bume. Nuar bume. Uberi una twat. Gina chada Anyuak yiko yina jurmatak yina twat. Men large Nuar bume ekai lara bang. Tumbaru de munugawi? Do you know the munugawi? Salam, de salam yo go bas. Salam bas. Salam bas yo go. Salam de behil mushakal kulu. Salam bin il mushakal kulu. Ma fi mishkila kabir, ma fi mishkila sagar. Salam yo zol kabir. This is why amulu form UN amulu form achane jib salam lana salam de yo gowi. Salam lo fi mal batak shalo. Complain da Anyuak da arada batak shalo. Salam yo barjaw. Lana lo ita amulu bishakala. Fi tamal Nuer bishil malat katir. If you do it bamuk batak de. Len brau da de Nuer bishil malat katir. That's why mishkila jabu UN. Pakalam salam. Ashana jar batak may karam. Lana, do not believe that when I fight Nuer, I will kick them out. No. The war is not like that. Don't believe that when I fight with Nuer, I will kick them out. Because they are in New Land and they are the refugee, whatever the case may be. You will be surprised that they took Gambella, they took Fenido, they took Mala del Kulu. And what are you doing? Ita amal lejuno asa. Ita amal lejuno. yaw bogolo mero bas salam de yozo le go de mo kalam le bogolo de noir bume noir woodkor akay la ora bang kalam le bogolo anywa be jurmetek anywa be wujurmetek be tot jak da mena tek be salam mero salam de yozo le go message but I remain the same. Go talk. Amshi kalam. Sit down and talk. Kut sila that head. Go rewind my video of the day before. Anyuak, if you listen to my video of the day before, Nuer, nazal mat tumbare de kan mabumut. Nazal mat tumbare de kan mabumut. Ya al sukari na gari jire de. Aragu buyuru de, kan aje de mabasal. But you ignore me. Okonyi kurichane ke ginego, okonyi hiranga. No. Shut the fuck up. Menego be. Matter of life and death. Tao, ubur tao. Apul tao. Damena duang tao. Utum shabab el gad fi online de. El gad fi mansor de da de. Anywa be jurmatek da de. Itamu kuntuma fi na. You are not there. When I came here 2 years ago and supported you, you was claiming for me. Oh, kun be chicho, kun be gilo, kun ni kanga gilo be daga chaga. This is what you been saying when I supported you. But now when I came here to tell you that that's class, lenya tum ma fi chocolatane, na zo kun fi ganun. Ito mader ganun. Igo kun ni ngane. Be careful. Be careful. I told al Mader Salam de. And I sure the Ethiopian government, they're getting tired of you. Mafi police jabun bari. Mafi Dr. Abi, my job police, my job judge, my job, Land Dr. Abi is getting sick of all of this community. Nuer ma Anyuak to Gambella, fighting every day. Kulmayom bas sugar bas kulmayom. So now you are left on your own. El Gawi, Bashil. El Taban, Bajiri. Dictor Abi left you on your own. El Gawi, Bashil. El Taban, Bajiri. So it's about Gulbet now. Gulbet Dol Gawi. It's not about your country. It's not about Newland. It's not about Gambella. It's about Gulbet Dol Gawi, Bashil. Uloda Anyuak yo Gawi. Batarad Nuer Kulu Bashil Ajata Nuer. Loda Nuer yo Gawi, Batarad Anyuak do Kulu for Gambella Dade, Bashil Arada de Kulu Lada Penido Yua, Bashilo. Bashilo. Lano. Aja ukuma amalaya aja what they could. That's salam lazim ijibu. Salam lazim ijibu. Anyuak Nuer gal woman bejif president bata Gambella lo mot chalu bara. Dictor Abi gal now. Anyuak bejibu. Nuer beshilo warao. Kede Anyuak you won. You win. That's but the legible president but Nuer jabu president Anyuak tani. Kalas fadal salam bas. Zole laji if you have it ma beshilo bara besla. Ata fi America if you came to America illegally ma beshilo bara besla. Beshilo bara beganun. Anyuak ma beshil Nuer bara besla fi Gambella. Never. Anyuak ma beshil Nuer bara besla fi Gambella. Whether you call them refugee, you call them what, you will never move them by force. They ganun yo beshil lajin bara. Lano when they came to Gambella, they came by law. They Dr. Abi Ojabuman. They Dr. Abi Ojabuman. They did not come on their own. They mullahs now Ojabuman. They did not come. They came to your land not because of you, not because of Anyuak, not because of Jalduang, but Anyuak, not because of Ukuma. Anyuak Maidu Ukuma. They came because of Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa signed a Waragma UN. And then they came to Anyuak leaders. And then Fenido was given to refugee. Fenido Etang, Dimo, Mala del Kulu. The Addis Ababa. The Malta got the shackle be Newland it got the shackle few down there, be you could ya. Tamabiluman para for Newland out. If you got the shackle manual for Newland, for Nuer to go back to South Sudan, you know, taught my right. You know, taught my right. Mautum Nan Mutalimin. If you don't want a Anyuak refugee, low to mother refugee in Abaj. Much the refugees the refugees Kulum, refugees with Anyuak, refugees with Chuluk, refugees with Munu, refugees with Sudan, that you will come and a refugee in your land. You will go to Addis Ababa. You will go to Addis Ababa. The Babam Gilener, Kulum. You be Chanakanwa. You Chanak Addis Ababa. You will go to Addis Ababa, leadership at Anyuak will go to Addis Ababa to Dr. Abiy by law. And then Dr. Abiy, what many refugee? Another mother refugees. What happened between you and Dr. Abiy? Law, if Dr. Abiy agree that mother refugee, Dr. Abiy will talk to UN. That UN, your refugees are causing problem in my land. Repatriation must take place. Ana mader Dr. Abiy obogul ana mader lajin fi Abaj tani. The Anyuak balga woman when to tell people that ana mader lajin fi Gambella. Naf gada kalam maganun. Ana gada kalam de. Lo be shakala. Ma fi zol ma bana be king but Anyuak be chunu da de. Ana Anyuak. Ana murabba fi Gambella da. Bara min ni kang magil be da ka chakwe. Ni kang magil be da ka chakwe. Ginandaga Anyuak be ginandang chalateo. Lakin this is the law. Ashan mata mut kare sanuita. Kalam de gada kalam piu de ana gada shakal Nuer shana ma de Nuer fi Abaj da de ma kalam bata Anyuak. De ma kalam bata. Nuer ma jay na saga Nuer ma jay zo begar. Nuer ja be gawanin ta Geneva. De ma Nuer brao be Anyuak lajinde be ana de. I came from Gambella. Form bata ide Gambella. How did I get to Anyuak land from Chuluk land? The agreement between UN, Mahukuma, the Anyuak. So Anyuak, if you see that the mother, like in Fiara, you will go talk to the Torabi. You don't talk to people in New Land. You do not talk to people in New Land. If you change the New Land, you change the Addis Ababa. Sheila Warak Batak, Aktuba Warak Batak. Go to Addis Ababa, Dr. Abiy, another mother legend. And Dr. Abiy will ask you why. And I will warn you that Dr. Abiy will tell you that this is Ethiopia and I'm the leader of Abaj. The man Anyuak, legend no man bogot fidolade, and he will do nothing. If you find you there, Chagel Manas, Judge Bejibu, Judge Bukudu Fimalata legend Kuludare. Now, if you're talking about legend, they came the woman Kala Malata legend, Pipenyedo. Woman Kala Malata legend Pipenyedo. Woman Kala Malata legend fi Bongo, Fidimo, and they came to New Land and they're refugee. Then that's the work of the president. Ethiopian Gambella government. Gambella government will find out the muni laji, the munuma laji. The Gambella government is not Anyuak. Sila ito machi bel barao others akede Nuer. Well, you can chakal Manuel, but there is a small opportunity that you will not defeat Nuer. Nuer will defeat you. And well, when Nuer defeat you, the map go to Gambella Tani. That's what you want to see? That's what you want to see? That when you fight yesterday, what happened yesterday? Did you defeat Nuer? You can't get Nuer our opportunity. Did you defeat Nuer? Taradita waraguita yal bata tabana lele. Labors for what? Who could that Christmas there? Labors, why? In a time like this. That's why Galulek talk. Kalama bogula anywa be damatek, anywa be wijurumatek. Nuara woodcore, kakai bang, a toad jack. Tumbas tumbok to lial batakumde. Tumbok to lial batakumde. Take my word, you don't take them, it is up to you. I will watch from here and see crying people kumayam. Lanafina bokoro kumayam. You come here to reject my word, tomorrow you will cry. When I came here and I said by you that we fought a war, you was claiming for me when I give you support of war. But when I give you support of Salam, support with Salam, don't let support our war, Kulmayam is not your brother. Zole bidik support a war kulmayom de is not truly your brother. I cannot be your cousin by encouraging you to fight kulmayom. A war you will never win tomorrow. I will not be your cousin to encourage you to fight the war that you will lose tomorrow. You will lose Gambella, you will lose Malat Kutar. If you don't believe me, wenu akoba wenu. Akoba wenu. Akoba wenu. Nasar kana razu bita gabal gade. Denye kaang magile kanu du iti shalo bara kef. Ma shalo da bara bijagala. Namsu Nuer ite garamu zade alele. Namsu Nuer ma bizultani. To kuji mat na jog mere ne chi nyan jog do kulu da Anyuak kulu. Na sibento le kulu Anyuak kulu. Nasar do kulu Anyuak kulu. Shalo ta bara ma shalo ta bijagala. So lo shakala brawo da gadi shilo da gudun salam da te mabta sikata salam. There is a opportunity that Nuer bishila raz bita kulu. There is a opportunity that Nuer bishila raz bita kulu. And I will not sit back here and wait that happening. That's why you've been warned here. That's Jamima Chanka ko Anyuak be wijur matek, Anyuak be wijur matek, Nuer be Gambella matek. No, boom Nuer wood core. No. You just killing your children. Go talk. Go talk. Sit down and talk. Kutsula de tek. Talk. Talking there will finish everything. Talking there, you will the munulaji, the munugad for New Land illegally, the munujaba warak, the munu ayan, and another guy for New Land, the cool visual UN with the low water guy, and empty Musaja for Addis Ababa, Janam for New Land, little drop with the lot of Gale illegal, Legere Matane be Kormadonkare. So to cousin Bataya Anyuak. Shil salam to save your land, to save your children. Nuer, shil salam. Ana be give video time mal. Wan utum denka de shil namsak bara fi kalam de. Denka de shil namsak bara fi kalam de. It is up to you. Ite der shakala brao bas budun salam da go do it. Ana mabum forget it. Lakin there is a chance that Nuer bishil aradu ta kum kolo. Salute. Bye bye.